I just bought stuff. It kind of hurt my heart, but I did it. Like I said, it smells freaking spicy in here. Dairy relief. Smelly cat, smelly cat. Good morning. What is this? Anyways, Merry Christmas Eve. I'm tired still. I don't know why I'm awake, but this chapstick is absolutely amazing. First of all, this is my favorite. It's a minted rose. It smells amazing. I am about to edit. Okay, so I'm thinking of dumping my phone because it's like at maximum capacity at this point. And so I have this hard drive and I just found old footage of my ex and I am utterly disgusted by it. I don't even know what else is on here, but I'm deleting it. Absolutely not. And pictures. Done editing. Yay. I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick. Like pluck them because, you know, it just needs it. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my mom and I are gonna film raccoons. I'm gonna do eyebrows. I'm done. Kind of like my eyebrows today. I don't know. I get insecure about them like 20 minutes later, but having a flash sale. They have shirts for $2 for $22, so I'm buying some. I just bought stuff. It kind of hurt my heart, but I did it. Okay, so I got these 2 shirts. These were buy two for $25, which is, you can see right there, it's basically like one shirt. Then I got this, it's a necklace, and then just a regular dark green beanie. And then my mom got these 2 shirts. Yay! Woo. Okay, so I'm about to make ragouts. So we have the cream cheese and the wonton wrappers. I've actually shown how to make these, so if you want to know how to make these, I'll put a tag right here. But yeah. Okay, so these aren't all of them, but I'm gonna start frying them. I'm wearing this really cute thing so I don't get it on my shirt, like oil that might pop. So we're gonna throw them in. So I set up the setup. So you got the mic, napkins. So full, but I'm gonna take one of these, dairy relief. I'm probably not gonna eat for the rest of the day. I took everything off the mantle, but okay. Hello, I'm gonna change my hoodie because I just carried my dog. But it's like freaking cold in my house. Okay, so I'm gonna clean the filming area just because it smells like freaking ramen in here. So here's the filming area before. And now it's clean. The table obviously stays there, but I'm going to light my candle. Like I said, it smells freaking spicy in here. Excuse you. Okay, so I like watch TikTok for like 20 minutes. Now. Oh, I'm gonna work out now. So if I run, I run. If I don't, I don't. Probably not, but I hope I do. So I'm going to either watch the Great British Baking Show or Harry Potter while I run. I'm gonna try and run like a mile. I turned on the dryer so it gets warm in here because it's freaking cold. And of course, Pum's in the shower, so I'm probably gonna have to end up waiting for warm water. I'm so out of breath. That was a good run. I ran a mile, like literally exactly a mile, for I think 18 minutes. So Puma barely got out of the shower like 10 minutes ago, so there's obviously no hot water. So now I have to sit here and wait. I'm realizing that that was one of the best workouts in a while. Like, I didn't work out yesterday, but I've been working out for like a week and a half. No, almost a week. And that run really just topped it off. I'm gonna shower finally. There obviously should be hot water now. So, like literally a 5-minute shower. We're about to play Among Us.
I absolutely
Door.
hear that.
Bro.
But what?
Get away from me. Damn.
Stuck on a can?
Yeah, like the can was right there and I got stuck. Like, wedged. Because I'm looking at the map only, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Please. No. Please. Please.
It's life or death in this mother.
I'll hear them talking.
Don't stop.
Believing.
Where? What was that in cafeteria? I was gonna go to O2 and do my test. Okay, I'm gonna skip. Cause I had no idea.
I shot you in the head? Yeah. I'm making cookies off of this thing. My girlfriend gave me this. And this came with it. And there's a recipe on the back. So I'm gonna make this recipe. Yes. My dad said that to me. So I just found this in the fridge. I don't know. It's been in there for like 4 days. Oops. It says on the internet that the caffeine properties leave in about 5 days. So maybe it'll still work. This needs a cup and a half of butter.
Is Santa coming on Christmas? Wait. Santa's coming tomorrow?
Tomorrow night.
Yeah, tomorrow night.
I didn't press record. Well, I put the butter in. Now I'm gonna put in the sugar. Okay. Beat in the eggs. 4 eggs. 2, 3, 4. One's on this side.
You guys are so fun.
So it's a dough now. So I'm gonna let it freeze for like an hour, maybe 2. And I'm gonna make some hot cocoa bombs so that they can have some for Santa as well as just for themselves. I'm looking for corn syrup because Icy needs it. I was looking for it and I was gonna cry, and then my mom walks out there and she just pulls it out of the box.
Mommy, I'm done.
She's just too excited.
Coda. Whoa, don't look at me like that. She's over it after falling. I'm gonna do dishes. Press record. I was speaking that whole time. I'm kind of mad. Okay, let me sum it up. I did the dishes. I did all the dishes. Puma was drying them as I was going. Celine gave me some gloves early because my glove ripped, and so she decided to give them to me early, and it was double wrapped. Thank you, Celine. Into my room. Bean's right here. Hello, Bean. My Bean is back. Hello. As you can see, she's very enthusiastic to be here. She's loving it. She was actually here by herself. I didn't put her there, but if I don't make a lot of noise, she won't leave. So, I obviously brushed my teeth and took off my makeup. Let's put chapstick on. and take this really quick. Okay, so I'm literally gonna do polka dots, and then I might do something on the bottom. I don't. It's cute already. I'm gonna hit it with Mod Podge anyways because I put that on my Bubba cup and literally none of my stickers have fallen off. And we wash it and it sits in water like I'm talking to you. You're not bothering. Remember that song? Don't do so many. I know. I don't think you do. No, I don't. So I
Who's
did
that? Oh.
polka dots.
How are you holding it?
My hand's inside the mug. You smith. You smith. You smith. Smith. You smith. Doesn't look that good, but I'm the one drinking out of it, so. Watch mommy drink out of it and criticize you. You smell. Smelly cat, smelly cat. What are they feeding you? It's basically the end of this vlog. Yeah. I think tomorrow will be like more of a like Christmassy festive day. But yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, let me know. Let me know a tradition that you do on Christmas Eve, because I know some people do things on Christmas Eve like that they do every year. So yeah. Ours normally is to open our pajamas on Christmas Eve, but we already did. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.